What's going on, YouTube? And today we're gonna see if I could fix this switch I bought. So I bought this switch for 200 bucks. Just the left Joy-Con isn't being recognized when I put it in. So I'm thinking it's a problem with the little railing. So I bought a little replacement railing for the left side. I'm gonna see if I could just open it up and see if that's a problem. Just install a new railing, see if that does it. So normally I repair like a lot of PCs because the PC parts are bigger. So I don't really mess with switches, but I'll order some little screwdrivers off of eBay and I'm gonna see if I can fix it myself. And if so, it's gonna be a really good deal because I got it for 200 bucks. And it came with like 3 games, so let's see if I can do this. So we managed to take the switch apart and we took out the old rail and we put the new rail in, which is kind of hard to do, but we got that guy in there. And we checked it with the Joy-Cons and it seems to be working. So now I'm gonna see if I could put it back together. And if it's in one piece and works, I'll record the next part of this video. So we did manage to fix it. I just couldn't get one of the screws out, so it's a little thick right here with 2 T's or 2 H's. 2 H's and two C's. But it works and I'm happy.